think in the 22 years that we've lived in Norman, we've only had to go down into our shelter 3 or 4 times. We get the alarm frequently, but usually it goes north of us into Moore, which is downtown Tornado Alley. Let's see what it's looking like outside. I was trying to get ready for a garage sale. That weight machine we've owned for like, I don't know, 23 years, and it's really good, but I'm like, why would I drag that all the way to North Carolina? So I'm just gonna try and sell it here